हाय एंड वेलकम टू माय स्टार्टअप स्टोरी, जहां पर हम लेकर आते हैं यूनिक एंड डिफरेंट बिजनेस स्टोरीज। एंड आज का जो हमारा डिस्कशन है वो एक ऐसे ही बिजनेस आइडिया के बारे में है जिसने बिजनेस को फास्ट, एफिशिएंट और एक्यूरेट बनाया है। एंड आज के हमारे गेस्ट हैं द यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर मिस्टर प्रवीण कुमार। जय श्री राम प्रवीण कुमार जी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई जस्ट वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट यू एंड योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
Thanks for inviting me in this podcast. I really enjoy to talk before this podcast. So, myself, Praveen Kumar Dokania, co-founder of TYA Suite. My journey starts like every engineer's, a coder, a developer, more than in the database and servers. With over 20 years or more than 20 years of experience in technology and development, my always target was to develop something that will solve the real problem of anyone, whether it is a startup or personal life or any business. So that's how I started TYA Suite. I just met with Vikas in one event. Vikas was a gold medalist CA and having 25 years of experience in finance, and he has an innovative person, and as expertise in finance, I found that he has the expertise in finance, and the discussion turned up into the idea because he has the expertise in finance, and I thought I have the expertise in IT, and what the mindset is to build something. So that's how we both decided to build TYA Suite.
Okay. And how TYA Suite is helping the businesses actually?
So TYA Suite helping and targeting only for SMEs who are not capable for taking up the long or big ERPs like SAP or Oracle. Our main motto is to provide the affordable and customizable and easy to go live ERP for any SMEs.
ओके, तो आप बोल रहे हो कि आपका जो सॉफ्टवेयर है दैट इज कम्प्लीटली अफोर्डेबल एंड स्पेशली फॉर द एसएमईज।
करेक्ट।
ओके, एंड इफ वी कंपेयर अबाउट द कॉस्टिंग ऑफ द ओरेकल और एसएपीज एंड योर सॉफ्टवेयर,
110 or 17.
110 or 17 is as in percentage?
As in percentage, like if they are charging 1 CR, we are charging approximately 12 to 15 lakh.
12 to 15 lakhs. All right.
And then that also depend on the volumes. Okay. It's a pure SaaS product.
Okay, it's a completely SaaS based.
SaaS based product.
All right. And as you already said कि ये SMEs के लिए है specifically और the startups के लिए है, right? So जब आपका सॉफ्टवेयर कोई परचेज करता है तो उसके लिए डू यू प्रोवाइड स्पेसिफिक वर्कफोर्स एट योर एंड or you train the people to use your software?
So the best part of our software is it's a plug and play ERP.
Okay.
You don't need to customize lots of things that are already available in the system. And for the training, we have already training materials and documentations and workflow which anyone can easily use and use our software.
Read and follow instructions.
Read and follow.
अंदर रहते हैं. Okay, तो अगर किसी को अपने स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट या स्पेसिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग उसको कस्टमाइज करवाना है, इज इट पॉसिबल?
Yep, our whole ERP is fully customizable. Okay. And we can customize and integrate with any existing ERPs also. Suppose someone are using SAP or Oracle, but they want to use few of our modules, so it is fully integrated with any SAP or Oracle modules within a week.
Okay, so means आपके जो modules हैं those can be integrated with the already existing software.
Correct. So that they don't need to change their existing ERP. They can integrate our few modules and get the benefit and use the existing ERP also.
All right, that sounds great. So is your software just around the finances?
It's not about only the finances. We just launched our hero product that is Zero Touch, where we are claiming
that is
Zero Touch.
Zero touch
vendor invoice processing. Okay. Where we are claiming 99% accuracy, 90% faster with zero errors. So where right now what is the process going on in the market for the SMEs, or what is the big pain point? Like we have discussed with lots of founders in a couple of months, and we found that whenever their pain point, day to day pain point is managing the vendor invoices. Suppose any company who is handling 10 to 20,000 invoices in a month, it is very difficult for them, and they have to put 2 or 3 manpower to handle those invoices. And definitely there will be error because they have to see the invoices and punch into the system. But
Right.
what GeoTouch actually will do, it will remove all the man interventions. We ask vendors to just drop your invoice into an email. Our AI powered tool will capture from that email everything. From that email, invoice will capture and capture in our ERP. And every validations, whether it is TDS or GST or HSN or GST rates, will be automatically validated from our software.
All right. So it can scan the invoices from the vendors, or can it generate the invoices as well?
Vendor will give you the invoice, whether it is JPG or PDF. We are just requesting vendor to drop the invoice in this particular email ID that will be provided by the end user.
That is the inbound.
Inbound.
If I talk about the outbound invoicing, so can your software do the outbound invoicing as well?
Sales part, correct. Currently we didn't work on that sales part. We are working on the GeoTouch vendor invoicing part only. That is our future
Plans.
to launch that part.
Okay. If I talk about the age of your company, what's the age of your
We are
company?
8 years old company.
You're 8 years old. All right. अभी तक आपके कौन-कौन सी ऐसी well known organizations हैं who are using your software?
Japto, Razorpay. In Delhi also we have few clients. IIT Kanpur, DMI Finance, LiveSpace, NHIT, National Highway. There are lots of 130 plus clients are there.
So, how many well-known companies are there already who are already using your ERP?
We have more than 130 plus clients who are using our software. On that, if you will ask me the top clients or hero clients like Japto, Razorpay, LiveSpace, NHIT, DMI Finance, then Infogain, then IIT Kanpur. Lots of other clients are also there.
All right. तो आपका ERP जो प्रोवाइड कर रहा है वो इज एज अ लेमैन आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फ्रॉम यू कि अगर मैं एक कंपनी हूँ हु आई एम अ फाउंडर हु इज कम्प्लीटली नॉन टेक सवी, ठीक है, तो आपका सॉफ्टवेयर मुझे कैसे हेल्प करेगा मेरे बिजनेस को ग्रो करने में इन हिंदी?
सो वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. इसमें मैं ये जवाब दूंगा कि हम प्रोडक्ट नहीं बेचते हैं, हम ERP नहीं बेच रहे हैं. हम सबसे पहले ट्राई करते हैं फाइंड आउट करने कि आपका पेन पॉइंट क्या है, आपको क्यों चाहिए कोई भी ERP, वेदर इट इज टिवाई सूट और कोई भी ERP क्यों चाहिए. फिर हम वो चेक करते हैं कि क्या वो पेन पॉइंट हमारे प्रोडक्ट से सॉल्व हो पाएगा या नहीं. अगर हो पा रहा है, वेल एंड गुड, वी आर गोइंग एंड गिविंग यू द डेमो. सो हमारा मेन टारगेट है लोगों के रियल बिजनेस पेन पॉइंट्स को सॉल्व करना, जो वो डेली फेस करते हैं. वो पेन पॉइंट्स नहीं जो आपको मंथली या क्वार्टरली एक बार आता है, वो पेन पॉइंट्स जो आप डेली सॉल्व करते हैं. सो हमारे ERP से आप डेली इनवॉइस पंचिंग, मैंने आपको बताया, GeoTouch के थ्रू आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. प्रोक्योरमेंट वाला पूरा पार्ट आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लाइक PR, PO, इनवॉइस, आपकी इन्वेंट्री मैनेज करना. ये सब जितनी भी पेन पॉइंट्स हैं वो आप हमें अपने पेन पॉइंट्स बताएं, हम आपको सॉल्यूशन रेडीमेड देंगे.
All right. So you have the ready-made solution for it. Can be for the manufacturing sector also,
It
or
comes
can be the
across
service
all the
sector.
industry.
Across all the industries, it is there. All right. So why is your target audience is SME while other companies are targeting the bigger enterprises?
Yeah. So why SME? Because in India, basically in India, SME don't want to spend lots of money for the large ERP like SAP or Oracle or any other ERP who are charging in crores. First pain points, they are charging and very costly. Second pain points, the implementation time. To implement any ERP like Oracle or SAP, it will take a couple of months, sometimes a year also. That we are solving in TYSUite. That cost wise very effective. It is 1/10 we are charging what Oracle or SAP will charge you. Second, the implementation, we are claiming that within a week we can implement any company who wants to implement our ERP.
ओके अब किसी ने एक बार आपसे परचेज कर लिया ऑन अ सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड ऑन अ मंथली बेसिस दे आर पेइंग यू व्हाट इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम in the software, any bug or any other issue, how you give the support?
See, the SLA part is very strong in our company. The customer support also very strong, because if you are not providing a good service or customer service, the client will not happy. So our first target, if any bug or any new requirement also come, the first point, the bug, our SLA is 24 to 72 hours. It should be solved.
Okay.
And if any customization also is there, our whole ERP is fully customizable, and we are trying to customize all the feedbacks whatever given by the client.
All right. So your support is provided through online only, or the offline is also?
Yes, we are providing both. If you want online, that will be free of cost. If you want offline, there will be definitely a charge too.
Because in most of the bigger organizations also I have seen and faced this issue that it is always difficult to reach out to the help desk.
See, in last 8 years of experience with TYSUT, I will say that online support is enough to support our team or support our clients' queries, because it's a fully plug and play. If a client is asking, ये काम नहीं कर रहा है, or this is the bug, so my team also will go and set up that company setup, enable, disable, and it will fix.
Doesn't matter in which part of the India or
Doesn't matter whether you are in India or outside India.
all right. Okay. Even outside
Yeah.
India you are selling your software.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. जिन्होंने आपसे सॉफ्टवेयर ऑलरेडी परचेज किया हुआ था बिकॉज यू लॉन्च दिस रिसेंटली सो हैव यू इम्प्लीमेंटेड दैट इन दोज पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर्स जो अर्लियर परचेज हो चुके हैं उनमें भी और आर यू इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दिस एज अ सेपरेट सर्विस एंड व्हाट इज द रिस्पॉन्स?
See, our whole ERP is a bundle of modules. So just zero touch vendor invoice processing is our another module. So definitely whoever our existing clients, if they want to use this module, we are okay to integrate this module if that is beneficial for them. We are integrating, and we have actually integrated few of our existing clients just this zero touch, and they are quite happy. The response or the feedback we are getting with for this zero touch is tremendous. Why? Because zero touch we are claiming 100% money back guarantee if you are not satisfied, and we are claiming that 90% or 60% cost saving in the sense, if you are deploying 2-3 persons for managing your invoices, and we are claiming that you can remove that cost, and if you found that that cost didn't remove after implementing TYSUT, 100% money back guarantee is there. And why especially for SME this will be a hero product actually for SME also, because in SMEs also this is the pain point that vendor is chasing for the payment, delaying in the vendor payment, and you will lose the good vendors. So that can reduce by implementing this zero touch, because you don't wait for 7 days or 10 days or sometimes month for approval of invoices. Automatically invoice will punch into the system and it will go for the approval. Within 24 hours it will approve the same invoice which was taking 7 days to 10 days earlier.
All right. One more important question came to my mind, that as you said that your system is completely SaaS based. So whether the consumer is giving you the charges based on the modules they are utilizing, or a complete system is
The complete system. Whether we are launching any new model in the module in the future also, it will be the part of that package.
okay. What if in that case, and that can be a feedback or a suggestion as a layman person also, because I'm not into that industry, right? That if somebody is using, and that is the, I guess, the biggest bottleneck also, like if I'm using, let's suppose, Zoho. Okay, in Zoho I don't need the rest of the modules, I just want to utilize the invoice generation and the mail and the cloud space, right? That's what I just need, workspace area. I wish कि मैं सिर्फ उसी के लिए पे करूं. Why to pay for the rest of the things?
Zoho is not a ERP. Zoho is an accounting tool, and our ERP is a fully role-based ERP.
Zoho में भी there is complete this CRM is
CRM,
there.
that is not the ERP. They are primarily focusing on the accounting part only. They don't have that procurement and strong procurement and AI powered.
Now they have the e-commerce setup also.
They have sales invoice, but not the full ERP. They
Okay.
are categorized themselves as a accounting software. So, like in our ERP also, it is fully role based. Whatever role or user access you want to give to your user, they will be able to see that only. And see, the cost is very minimal, and whatever modules we are developing and integrating, it is why it is free of cost. Because see, if you want to use that module, well and good, it is benefit for you only. We are not charging any extra for the modules. Why? Because it is a package of the ERP.
Okay. अब इसको एक थोड़ा सा एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. लेट्स सपोज आई एम अ कंपनी हु आर अ फर्नीचर मैन्युफैक्चरर. ठीक है. As a furniture manufacturer, in what ways your ERP can support me?
Many ways, like raising a PO to vendor, then chasing for that GRN or inventory, then production module, that how the production process will go. All these things can be automated by using TYS ERP.
All right, that's great. So this was all for today, and I feel if you are into SME and want to purchase and streamline your business in a certain way, then TYA Suite is definitely going to help you. If you have any questions or queries, you can please raise your messages or commenting in the comment section, and we'll be definitely try to support you. All the information about Vikas sir will be mentioned in our description section. Important thing, अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, बिकॉज ये चैनल एक बिगर कॉज के लिए है, विच वी ऑलरेडी अनाउंस्ड. Once will be monetized, the 50% of the amount will be definitely shared with those people who really wish to do something into their life but do not get the fundings from anywhere. एक बार ये चैनल मोनेटाइज हो जाता है तो आपको शार्क टैंक तक जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आई एम श्योर यू एंजॉय आवर पॉडकास्ट, एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस के बारे में एक पॉडकास्ट बनवाना, तो यू कैन मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू ब्रिंग समवन ऑन द बोर्ड हु कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट. मिलते हैं अगले पॉडकास्ट में, तब तक के लिए जय श्री राम.
Yes,
जय
yeah.
श्री राम.